Hi, in last video we have seen what is the list, where we have seen definition of the list, then what are the properties of the list. After that we have seen what are the different ways to create the list, and after that we have seen what are the inbuilt method and function supported by the list. And in this video we are going to write a program with the help of the list concept only. And this programming question are most frequently asked question in any interview room. So we are going to solve this 22 programming question, which is related to the list only. And with the help of this all programming question, you will get more clarity about the list data type. So before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So my first program is write a program to print all even or odd number present inside the list. See, so this is the problem statement. Write a program to print all even or odd number present in the list. So don't be confused, because if you have seen my previous videos, which is related to this string, there we have used to write a program like write a program to print all the odd and even position characters. But here we are not going to talk about the position. Here we are going to talk about the content itself, like write a program to print all even or odd number present inside the list. I'm not going to consider the index. So keep in mind, I have to check the content or what is I have written here. And I have to print the even and odd number present inside the list. So this is my list. And if you have seen my previous video, so I have already explained you how we can create the list. So there I have told you we have a 5 possible way to create the list. Let's start. So let's first break down the problem. What is the problem? So we have to print even number. We will first write a program for even number. After that, we will see for the odd number. So this is my list, which is I have 1 to 10 number. And see, there is a one list and I want to perform any action in a sequence or in a loop. So we are clear, like we need to use the loop. Again, the question, what loop you want to use? So see, in this, we are not going to talk about the index. So if we are not going to talk about the index, so no need to use the while loop. What we can do, we can simply use the for loop. Then for each element, for that I am taking the x variable. And as I told you, always read x as the each element. So it will be a proper statement like for each element in list. List is nothing but L. So what I need to do, I need to print, but I don't want to print simply the each and every element. I want to print the element which is even. So how I can check whether the number is the even or not? So if you remember, in a Python or in all the programming language, we have if statement. So with the help of the if statement, we can check the condition. So how we can write for that if? Then what I need to check? I need to check whether that element, which element? So X is the element in the list, and list is nothing but the L. So X is nothing but the this number only. So what I want to do, for each element in the list, if that element is even. So how we can check that particular number is the even? So there is a one simple statement for even number. If you are going to divide any number by 2 and you are not getting any reminder, or if you are getting reminder 0, it means that number is the even number. So how we can write for each element, if mod 2 equals to 0, it means that number is the even number. Simply I want to print that number. Let me run. See, this is the output. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So by the output only you can understand, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's nothing but the even number. So this is how you can write a program to print the even number present inside the list. And one more thing, the same you can use for the odd also. Like if reminder is not equals to 0, it means it is odd only. So you can do changes here, simply here, then print. One second. Yeah. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is going to be print odd only. And one more thing, don't think output will be the like this only. No, it can be anything. For example, I'm taking any value and let me run. Uh, see, so we are not going to print the even and odd position values. No, we are going to print the even and odd value itself. So don't be confused. So I hope you are getting this program, like what we are doing here. So this is the one way how you can do with the help of the for loop and if statement.